Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today we're taking a look at number 15 Bayview Road. Now this is a 4-bedroom detached family home giving you some beautiful views across Whitstable and across to the sea. Now with this property you are close to the town centre with some fantastic transport links on your doorstep, and the property is very versatile in its layout indeed. We'll come straight through into the main entrance hallway space and taking a quick look there on the left hand side at the first of the reception rooms. We're going to go through and take a look at the cloakroom next. Now what we'll do is go through and take a look at the utility room before heading through and taking a look at the kitchen. Utility room here you can see very convenient space with plenty of room to work with, and of course that access out into the side and then the rear garden. Coming across, we've got the kitchen here with a range of fitted appliances as well as space for white goods there. Lovely amounts of light coming through from the window and plenty of space to work with here, with lots of worktop space and plenty of storage. Coming through into another very convenient room indeed. Whether or not you'd like to use this as a study or another reception room, entirely up to you, but again very versatile and convenient to have. Coming through to the rear, we've got the open plan living space here with of course the stairs leading us up to the first floor, and of course the bifolding door access into the rear garden. So here we are upstairs at number 15 Bayview Road. We've had a good look at the rear garden, and now it's time to take a look at the bedrooms. So the first bedroom here, wonderful double-sized room, and the next one that we're going to go through and take a look at does come with the ensuite shower room. So wonderful double-sized room yet again with plenty of fitted storage on the left-hand side. Lovely view from the window there as well, and just taking a quick look across the bedroom here, you can see the access point into the ensuite. Now whilst we're taking a look at that, we're going to recap a few points on the property as we go through and take a look at the last two bedrooms, and of course the bathroom which services the two bedrooms up here. This is of course number 15 Bayview Road, a 4-bedroom detached family home with the ensuite to the main principal bedroom, those beautiful views across Whitstable town and to the seafront, and that very versatile living space downstairs with a range of reception rooms. So I really do hope that you've enjoyed taking a look at the property with us today. No doubt you have plenty of questions for us, and don't forget, if you like the way that we're presenting our properties in these video tours, why not give us a call today to book your own free valuation.